It's the 50th anniversary of Earth Day during this pandemic. Gail and I wrote this song to thank everyone out there who is saving lives for folks like us. And we want to thank all the people who have been trying to save the Earth for the generations to come. Every day is different as we listen to the news. A worry, a new fear about someone else's views. 50 years of Earth Days, we've got so much to lose. Pandemic's just another way for us to pay our dues. Father Time's pendulum sweeps along the earth, scraping, erasing the renewal, the rebirth of fragile ecosystems. Find the balance, lead us on. Everyone's a leader and the battle lines are drawn. You can't have the flowers without watering the seeds. You can't find the blossoms if you're stuck in the weeds. So let's walk together, 'cause we know what life is worth, as Father Time's pendulum sweeps along the earth. Time, it comes in waves, and when it washes over us, it leaves some of us shiny, and the others turn to rust. Time is running short, another death, another birth, and Father Time's pendulum sweeps along the earth. What do we think when we move at different rates? Some laugh at rules, others stay at home and wait. A future to ponder, to wonder, to debate, while the clock keeps ticking and it is getting late. You can't have the flowers without watering the seeds. You can't find the blossom if you're stuck in the weeds. So let's walk together, 'cause we know what life is worth, as Father Time's pendulum sweeps along the earth. So let's walk together, 'cause we know what life is worth, as Father Time's pendulum sweeps along the earth.